Okay, so we're going to put the capsules in the trays. The large half goes in this one. You just drop them in there, and the short half goes in this one. And you may have better eyes than I do, so you can probably see a little better than me, but sometimes a little headlamp helps. And I can see which ones. Basically just shake it around like this, and you can see they practically fall in there all by themselves. But if they don't, you just look, you can see them. You can see them right in the hole there, the ones that are full, and you can see the ones that are empty. It's pretty obvious. Okay, and I have extra left over here. What I did was I split them all in half first. This is a jar full of half, the large half that I put in here. So they'll be ready for the next time I need to do it. I'll have a few extra. Okay, so that's putting all the capsules in your tray. Now these, I didn't buy these capsules from Herbal. I got them locally right here in town because there's an organic store right here in town, and I just wanted to do business with them because they're a mom and pop store. Now normally I don't have to push these halves in. Normally they just fall in, but for some reason different manufacturers, and they just they don't drop in like the ones from Herbal. So I mean, either way they'll still work. You just gotta kind of check it over, see which ones you can see which ones don't have anything in there. So I mean, it's pretty easy. I mean, this is probably the best thing since sliced cheese. So, but I just kind of look around and see which ones got something in them, and there's one that doesn't have one. You can obviously see because the gelatin is clear and it's shiny. The capsule, that is. The capsule is clear, it's shiny, and you can see that they're in there. So, there we go. Those are all full. I got a few extra here I'm going to take and put them back in my jar. And just a few pointers, you know, I have a container here on the floor that I put everything in, so it's all there when I get ready to use it, and it's not exposed to all the elements in the air in your kitchen or wherever you want to store your stuff. I have a little bin down here. But the other thing I do is I kind of designate an area where I can do this, and I wash my hands so that when I do this, everything that I do is clean from this point on. And I mean, they're my vitamins, you know. So today we're gonna make some. This is mushroom powder, and this is turmeric with pepper, and I got these from Herbal. They're excellent products. I can't say enough about them. I really like them. They help me out a lot. I'm in my 60s, and I'm never going to get rid of pain, but I can tell you right now, by using these products, I wouldn't be doing it, and I wouldn't be wasting my time doing this video if they didn't help me. And I can't even tell you how much this helps me. I mean, I go out, cut cordwood, I split cordwood, and I'm in my late 60s, okay? I don't know how many 60-year-olds are out doing that. I got a bad back, all that crap, but these vitamins that I make, they're all organic, and I did my own research, and they help. They help immensely. I mean, I'm 60 odd and I'm still cutting cordwood and splitting cordwood. That's my whole house is heated by just cordwood. I don't use oil, I don't use propane. It's just wood. It's a lot of hard work, but I get up in the morning and I take one pill in the morning, one pill in the afternoon. That's all I take. I sleep good. And I mean, I don't know. You got to try it for yourself, but click on the link, subscribe. And if you follow the link to Herb Affairs through my YouTube page, it helps me out a lot. So I really appreciate if you go there and use the link on my page. You don't have to, but you know, it would help me out a lot. And I really appreciate that. Okay. And thanks for watching, and hang in there because I'm going to be doing some more here, another video after this one here. But like, subscribe, leave a comment, you know, let me know what your thoughts are, what your experiences are with Herb Affair, and use the link on my site, please. Thank you.